Hi guys, today my sister is going to be rating my fidgets. I just have this one but it wouldn't fit in the pot. Let's do this one first.
Oh my god, I'm not even going to pull that. That is so loud guys and it isn't even that fun. So that is going in my zeros pile. I rate that as 0.
Next one is globbles.
Ooh, these are fun. These are very like squidgy. I can like squeeze them really hard without them popping. And they're quite sticky as well. So I give them a 6. No, I give them an 8.
Okay, this one, Orbeez ball.
Oh, this is weird. I mean, it's pretty though, but could be better, I feel. So I'm going to give this one a 6.
Okay, this.
What is this?
Can you guess?
I don't know. Pop it?
No. A snapper.
I know how to work it, I just don't know the name. I really don't like this. I'm giving it also a 0.
This. I think you know what it is. But
Oh, I have one of these. Isn't it like a munchie or mochi or like a munchkin or something?
it's a mochi.
Oh, mochi. I got literally everything.
Mochi.
Yeah, munchie. That's what I said.
Mochi.
Oh, mochi. I thought you said munchie. Right. I give this a 9. I give this an 8. Actually, no, I give it a 9.
Now these.
Yeah. So yeah, I do love them. So but they could be better. They could be stronger magnets. So I'm gonna say 6.
Did you already rate this?
Yes, that's in my 9.
Oh, I thought it was just there.
That's my
Okay.
0.
Let's see if you like this one.
Okay.
It's my cream ball.
I don't like this one at all. This one can go in the 5 pile.
Okay, next. Pop it.
Okay, well this one is quite hard to push, but it does make a really satisfying sound. So I'm gonna rate it a 5.
You ready for the next one?
Yes.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. Ah, God, I actually...
Pop it.
Another pop here. Okay. This one is quite hard to push and for them to keep down. But again, it makes a really good noise, so I'm going to have to put that in a 5.
Another pop it.
Oh my god, so aggressive. Oh my god, this feels actually really good. Oh, I really like this one. Does it make a good sound though? Yes, it does. I'm going to put this one in my 7s pile.
Oh wait, no, I'm actually not going to throw that because it's metal. Here you go.
Thank you.
Slime.
Your homemade slime is this?
Yes. Hence the reason it's in a magnetic putty slime thingy-majiggy. But it's actually just putty, not magnetic, so that's a bit poop. But
I like putty, but this one is a little bit sticky. And
let me have this bit.
this one
It's very stretchy.
yeah, it is. This one is a little bit sticky, but it does stretch out really good, and it rips like that.
Love it.
Yes.
What do you rate that one? Because that's my last fidget.
I think I'm going to rate it.
You forgot this bit.
Oh, sorry. I think I'm going to rate it a 7. So, my first is a mochi, my second is the globbles, and third is this poppet. Thank you for watching. Bye.